Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SLS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And going forward, from a technical perspective, really, there's two main levels that stand out, and the first level will make a little bit more sense to those of you that watch videos from the past. But if you have watched videos from the past, then hopefully you remember me putting this trend line into place. And just to show the power of charts and trend lines, all I'm going to do is extend this line out. So I'm not going to adjust it at all other than extending it out. And you can see that, like I said, the power of charts, amazing how that works. Still, I've been using charts over a decade, but still kind of hard to wrap your mind around that. The fact that, the price had made a great move up, and then what a coincidence, literally broken right at that resistance line. Now, if you don't believe me that I didn't have that line there, I'm not offended at all. I get it for some of you. Maybe I'm just some random stranger on the internet. But all you got to do is go back through the SLS video archive that I've done over the past couple months, and you'll see the last time I did it and put that line into place. But again, I'm not offended at all. But the point here being, from the overall charting perspective, that remains definitely the key resistance technical level, that trend line right there. You can't really assign a numerical value to it because it's sloping downwards, which means, that value is technically changing over time. But the idea here is that from, the resistance standpoint, the key technical level going to be that trend line. Now, on the flip side of things, as far as the key support level and technical area, that is down here at 15.5 cents. So why is 15.5 important? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to just break below 15.5 and continue on down, well, at that point in time, what would you have? Well, you would literally have the price right back to where it started. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price can at least maintain itself and go sideways like it's been doing, and then eventually start to work its way back upwards, well, at least in this situation, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there, and then if you envision those as stair steps, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So that's what you would want to see, and again, that's why 15.5, very important from the support side of things. So all in all, though, anyway, look at it. Nice movement today, nice volume, so we'll see if the bulls can eventually get the break from that trend line or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.